Very good morning, students. Today in this class we are going to study about a topic from 3rd standard English grammar textbook, that is the alphabet. So students, let us start about the alphabet as the first topic of the 3rd standard English grammar textbook. Students, before knowing about the alphabet, we should realize about language. So my question is, what is language? First of all, my question is, what is language? Can you say? Okay, I wrote on blackboard. Look at that. The method of communication. What? The method of communication, either spoken or written, consisting the use of words in a structural and conventional way. In other words, we can say that a system of communication. What? A system of communication used by a particular country or community is known as language. And we also know that there are many languages to communicate, such as English, Latin, Hindi, Arabic, Odia, Telugu, etc. And students, in this class we are going to read about especially English language. As we are going to read about English language, before that we have to read about English alphabet. Understood? As we are going to read about English language, before that we should realize about English alphabet. So students, come to the main point about the alphabet. What is alphabet? What is alphabet? First of all, my question is, what is alphabet? Look at the blackboard. I have written the definition of the alphabet: a set of letters, or symbols in a fixed order represent a particular speech or sound of a language is called alphabet. Once again, I repeat this. A set of letters or symbols in a fixed order represent a particular speech or sound of a language is called alphabet. We know that every language has its own alphabet. An alphabet consists of some numbers of letters. Like that, the English alphabet also has 26 letters. Those are. So students, what I have said that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. It begins with A. The English alphabet begins with A and it ends with Z. The English alphabet begins with A and ends with Z. Look at the flow chart, students. I have done a flow chart for you. English language consisting alphabet. The alphabet has 26 letters and the 26 letters divided in two parts. One is vowel, another is consonant. And there are 5 vowel letters are there in English alphabet, and also there are 21 consonant letters are there in English alphabet. So students, in this class we have covered the language and English alphabet and how many letters are there in English alphabet, and vowels, how many vowels and how many consonants. And in our next class we'll discuss clearly about vowels and consonants. What is the difference between vowels and consonant, which are the vowels, and how many consonants and what are they, and what are their function, everything. Thank you students. Have a good day.